Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so you guys doing? I want to have video for you guys. Yeah, man. A West Kingston, we're going now. Yeah, man, out of West Kingston. People, soldier have them barrier up. Police are coming and unmark car. It's massive people, glass well tilt up. Soldiers stop police. Police don't want to stop, right? Police come out of him car and try pull barrier. No. The soldier never take that, right? Yeah, man. You saw them dealing with wicked people. Wicked. Yeah, man, people. People. Enough of these police. When them have on them uniform, it's like them above the law. You understand what I'm saying? They treat people anyway. They do anything they feel like though. You see what I'm saying? But people, here I get them. I have 3 voice note. People. 3 voice note. I watch her. One is from the police. I explain himself. And one is from a soldier. Right? So the next one is a person who sent out a voice note towards the incident. So people, please subscribe and like this video. Share people. Thumbs up people. Yeah man people. Up. Shot Boss TV. Up.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Stop now. Good. You're not excuse the law. If the soldier stop you, you stop. If the soldier stop you, stop. They say, if the soldier stop you, you stop, sir. You're not coming and move the barrier.
You will go out now. The video was a lengthy video, but because the people who make the video for them boy, because when we on the ground, everybody address this man by name. You see me? Everybody address this man by name because a common has shown us. The man fly past the checkpoint, come back a little bit after, and fly past again. Pro box, dark window, you can't know. So, the soldiers there needed one vehicle in front of him when he reached the checkpoint. So, them station and stop him. The man still have tried to squeeze past the checkpoint, so them draw the barrier in the road. Them draw the barrier in the road and over. So, him stop because all the sergeants up on the ground. Man jump out. Come back on up and gun to man car, those man of police. Come out of the vehicle and go hold the barrier and draw the barrier out of the road. So, I said the soldier had the man say, oh, leave the barrier. And him stay so and open the soldier face. I said, where you going to do? I saw the soldier easing out of him face. You see me? I said the soldier easing out of him face. And the whole time, when the video are running now, when everything said and done, the people, where go help me, I said in the video, everything on video. You see me? Nobody at all. Now see when nothing else happen. Because what? Them cut the video before them send the video. And before them publish the video cut. You know, see when the man go open and swallow the face, you know, see when the man draw the barrier, that's when the man do nothing at all. The man jailed up on the checkpoint and one soldier stop the man. You see me I say? And the man no stop. You see me? You see him time when the man piling gun on the car and lock the barrier. You see me I say? And so him come out of the car and say, oh, pussy will take on the gun off from the car. You understand? And from this, you know, it locked up, isn't it? So you go pull the barrier again and then lock the barrier. You see what I say? And you go over there, talk to the soldier, ease him off. See it? No, I don't know, his only work here, his only there.
Stop now. Good. You're not excuse the law. If the soldier stop you, you stop. If the soldier stop you, stop.
I can only say this. I conclude duty and I head towards the barracks. The barracks that I boarded. And upon reaching the checkpoint, they were conducting the VCP. There was a vehicle in front of me. Them send off a vehicle and them walk off. So me proceed now and go through. And the rifle that them use a beat down my window. The rifle in my face after I went down the window. Be a bad talk to your police. One more thing them are going with. And say alright, I can show you something. Lock the barrier upon me, so I'm not going away. Come out of the vehicle, so I move the barrier. That is when the man them beat me up, brother.
Then if you beat the blow off him, push lad. Then if you beat the blow off him, then if you beat the blow off him and make him strip naked. Me I hear now say I'll drive by must be go on or threats of drive by they make. And you coming a bomb go back and come on. Hey boy, I beat out your blood clot. I could have all the soap. You better come identify yourself and me up on the ground and my life in a danger. And me slung at the gunshot them. And you want to come fuck with my rock. I don't know. I beat out your pussy. Shall kill me lick. Fucking chink.
Yes, my subscriber. I hate that, you know, right? So people, I want to tell them what I think, you know. On the ear when the police I say, I give him 2 pints. On the ear with the soldier I say, I give him 2 pints, people. So here are people. Subscribe and like and share this video, people. Right? Touch up the thumbs button, people. Out, up, up, up. Peace.